Good morning, everyone. It's really exciting. Finally, we are here on the last phase of the Build on Singapore Hackathon, the last stop that we are closing off before we head off to the ASEAN finale.
We are very excited for tomorrow's presentation.
We want to join Build on Singapore because we thought it would be fun to come together and challenge ourselves.
Hi everyone, we are Team No Master 69.
We are Team Alipao.
We are from Team Bite Size Trades.
My team name is BRMK. We are working on the easy-to-use and multifunctional visitor management system.
Our project is an extension to chat applications to fight fake news and misinformation.
Our project is about using AI to help revamp learning management systems to improve the experiences of both students and instructors.
So without further ado, let's kickstart the first presentation.
Definitely being first group present, I think we were all very nervous. Virtual presentations to all of us is still a very new thing.
We had a lot of doubts at the start about whether we were competent enough, but overcame a lot of the challenges that we faced.
As the presenter, I felt rather apprehensive about what the audience would think of our solution, but I tried to give it my best shot.
I joined Build on Singapore because actually I've participated in other hackathons before, and this one is the most exciting for me because of the amount of competition there is, and also because AWS is such a huge company with a lot of standing in the world.
The problem statement, I think, highlighted very relevant problems that we face today. And also, I was especially interested because this kind of required skills from different areas, so it kind of combined diverse group of people to work together on the same problem.
We think that our idea is quite strong, and I think we have a decent chance and we're pumped for it.
The champion for Build on Singapore 2020 would go to...
Stress.
Team Bobs. Congratulations, Team Bobs. Okay?
We have literally had a blast coding for Build on 2020.
I'm quite new to coding, so this was quite a fresh experience. And I learned a lot, not just about coding, but about the business viability. It came from the point of view of the customers.
The best part of this experience is really the presentation because we got to learn and grow from the experience.
The most fruitful part of this entire experience was that we get to communicate our ideas with our manufacturers directly, and then allowed us to learn a lot more about the problems that our society currently faces.
My favorite part about this experience was just making something with friends from the ground up and using code, which all four of us really enjoyed.
Definitely would recommend my friends to join Build on Singapore, as I feel that it's a really enriching experience to be able to build this app in like a team.
Joining this hackathon was a great experience, and we would like to join Build on SG again.
Join a hackathon that will make an impact.